Alright, this is the OPPO F23 5G. Now, in a time where most phones are launching almost every day, the fact is that there are not many phones that manage to stand out of the crowd. And well, this one should. So without wasting any time, this is Gaurang, you're watching Guide in Tech, and let's unbox the F23 5G. Alright, let's cut it up. Now time for the slow reveal of the phone in its bold and gold glory. So first we get this box. Let's open it. The first thing that we see is of course the SIM ejector tool, and then documentation, and this TPU case. Now the borders are matte finish while the back is completely transparent. The quality looks good. Let's keep it aside for a moment. Now, let's take out the phone. We'll keep it aside for a moment to see other contents of the box. This is the 80-watt SUPERVOOC charger that you get inside the box. And this right here is the USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. Now let's put it all aside and get into the phone itself. Let's remove the packaging over it. And that is the OPPO F23 5G in its bold and gold glory. Let's switch it on. Alright, now that it's switched on and almost set up, I'll get to clicking a few pictures and testing out the performance and everything that comes with the phone. So let's start with the design, and from the very beginning I was very interested in the device, specifically because of the design itself. The device that we have with us is the bold gold color, but you also get a cool black option as well. And in my opinion, both colors look really good. Moving on to the backside, here you get the iconic OPPO Glow Design, which comprises of millions of nano-level glowing diamonds etched at the microscopic level, due to which it looks great, and even the camera module adds to the beauty. You get a beautiful decorative ring around the camera module, and then the dark black lenses just elevate the overall look and style along with the bold gold color option. Also, another one of the things that I like about this device is it does not get fingerprints. It does not attract fingerprints, because of which it is always great to flaunt. In terms of weight and thickness, it weighs 192 grams and is 8.2 mm thick, and that helps in folding the phone easily anywhere. The 3D curved back cover adds a micro curve to each edge of the phone to soften the rigid middle frame. Now after the design, let's move on to the second highlight of this phone, which is the camera. Now we all know that OPPO has always been known for its camera performance and prowess, and staying true to that, this device also delivers on that front. In terms of specs and hardware, you get a 64 megapixel primary sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 40x micro lens sensor. For selfies, you get a 32 megapixel sensor. Now, full-on testing is yet to start with the device, but from the shots that I've taken, the overall camera performance is quite promising. The camera samples are on your screen, and you can see for yourself that the cameras are quite good in terms of these shots. The 64 megapixel sensor shoots quite detailed shots. You also get a bokeh flare portrait mode here, which enhances your portrait shots and makes them look fantastic. The photos are quite color accurate and sharp. In terms of selfies, you get HDR support, and low light shots also come out to be quite good. Alright, my favorite feature is the 40x micro lens. It is not a macro lens, but a microscope lens, and it is the most fun sensor to use. You will notice the difference in the shots that are on your screen. You can literally take shots of extreme detail, and you can shoot various objects such as fabric, food items, or even wooden structures. You also get AI palette feature inside OPPO's gallery, which in turn enhances the vibrance of your already shot images. This means that you don't need to waste time in editing because the phone automatically boosts the colors of the images. Now enough about the cameras, let's move on to the display. In here you get a big 6.72-inch FHD Plus LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. The device can go up to a maximum brightness of 680 nits. The panel is Netflix and Amazon Prime Video HDR certified and YouTube HD certified. Along with all this, you also get SGS Eye Care Display certification, which is good for your eye protection. Moving on to performance, here you get the Snapdragon 695 SoC inside, which is a good processor for day-to-day usage. But that's not all. OPPO has also added more features to improve the performance. This device is BSA technology, which makes sure that your phone is as fast as it was on day one, even after 3 to 4 years. In terms of software, you get ColorOS 13.1 out of the box, and it has a box load of features inside. Among them, one of my favorite is the screen translate feature, from which you can translate any text on your phone. It has support for more than 100 languages, and you can even translate text from images that it recognizes. Another feature that I liked is auto pixelate. What it does is it recognizes your screenshot, and from there you can easily hide your profile picture and names. This helps you in sharing files with an added layer of privacy. In terms of battery, you get a 5000 mAh cell, and considering the shape and form factor, the device should last you anywhere between 1 to 1.5 days. In terms of charging, you get 67 watts SUPERVOOC Charger, and that too with 5 layers of charging protection. Now in terms of charging speeds, the phone takes 18 minutes for a charge of 0 to 50% and 44 minutes for a full charge. So in a short span of 5 minutes of charge, you get 6 hours of phone calls and 2.5 hours of YouTube video playback. This really solves any battery anxiety that you may have. Yes, that is the thing, and it is called NOMOPHOBIA, which is the fear of being detached from your smartphone. According to research, 3 out of 4 people have NOMOPHOBIA, and with OPPO's faster charger tech and great battery life, this device gives you a no-tension lifestyle as long as your smartphone is concerned. So this was our unboxing and first impressions of the OPPO F23 5G. As from what I've experienced in the short time with the device, I really like the design, the battery, and the charging tech behind it, and the cameras are also performing quite well. Now, if you like this device, the buying links and the best offers are in the description box. And rest assured, we will be testing this device thoroughly, and stay tuned for that. If you like the video, press the like button and the subscribe button. This is Gaurav from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.